अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम सर।
वालेकुम सर।
Okay, student, today we are doing the derivatives of chain rule. We will use chain rule to find the derivatives. So we are doing exercise 3.5, the same exercise which we have done already in the parametric functions. Now we will use chain rule to find the derivatives or differentiate. Exercise 3.5, question number 1. Chain rule. Chain rule will be used in such type of function. Y is a function of x. Sorry, y is a function of u, and u is a function of x. Y is a function of u and u is a function of x, and we have to find dy upon dx. But there is no x. Y is not a function of x. Y is a function of u. So we will find the dy dy upon dx. How to find dy upon dx? Dy upon dx will be equal to dy upon du into du upon dx. Dy upon du into du upon dx. So this is called the chain rule. When y is a function of u and u is a function of x, and we have to find dy upon dx. So how to find dy upon dx will be equal to dy upon du into du upon dx into du upon dx. Samsha 64074. So this is called the chain rule. Y is a function of u and u is a function of x, and we have to find dy upon dx. So dy upon dx will be equal to dy upon du into du upon dx into du upon dx. Are Bapa Balam 62427. So this rule will be used. This is called the chain rule. This rule will be used to solve the exercise 3.5. Question number 1. y is equal to 6u minus 9. Exercise 3.5. Exercise 3.5. Question number 1. Y is equal to 6u minus 9. And u is equal to 1 upon 2 x raised to power 4. 1 upon 2 x raised to power 4. This is u and this is y. And we have to find 64049 Muzammil Masood. And we have to find dy upon dx. We will find dy upon dx. So how to find? First we'll find dy upon du. Dy upon du will be equal to 6. 6 is constant, derivative of u will be 1. So 6 into 1 will be 6. And minus the derivative of 9 will be 0. So 6 into 1 minus 0. So 6 minus 0 will be 6. 62381. So we will find du upon dx. One upon 2 is constant. Derivative of x raised to power 4 will be 4x raised to power 3. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So that will become 2x raised to power 3. Ahmad Mirza, 63254. So now we will find dy upon dx. Dy upon dx will be equal to dy upon du into du upon dx. It will become dy upon du is 6 into du upon dx 2x cube. The final answer is 12x raised to power 3. This is dy upon dx. 12x raised to power 3. This is the final answer of dy upon dx. Abdul Bari 10233. That was question number 1. So y is a 6u minus 9. U is equal to 1 over 2x raised to power 4. And we have to find dy upon dx. For that purpose, y is not a function of u. Y is not a function of x. But y is a function of u and u is a function of x. Therefore, we will use the chain rule. So that is dy upon dx is equal to dy upon du into du upon dx. So first of all, we'll find dy upon du. Dy upon du is equal to 6 minus 0. That is 6 only. And du upon dx will be equal to 1 upon 2 is constant. The derivative of x raised to power 4 will be 4x raised to power 3. So 2 is cancelled by 2. It will become 2x raised to power 3. Now we will find dy upon dx. We will use the chain rule. Dy upon dx is equal to dy upon du into du upon dx. The same function over there. So dy upon du was 6 and du upon dx is 2x cube. So 6 into 2x cube will be equal to 12x raised to power 3 is the final answer. In the same way, we will do question number 3. Y is equal to sine u and u is equal to 3x plus 1. Yes. Anything do you want to ask? Understood this question? Okay.
Yes, sir.
We will do the next question. Question number 3. Y is equal to sine x and u is equal to 3x. Y is equal to sine u and u is equal to 3x minus 1. 3x plus 1. First of all, we find derivative of y with respect to u. Dy upon du, that is equal to cos of u into derivative of u will be 1. This is the derivative of sine, cos u. Then the derivative of u multiplied by the derivative of u by chain rule. So derivative of u will be 1. So this is cos u. In the same way, du upon dx will be equal to 3 into derivative of x, that is 1. So 3 into 1 will be 1. 3 into 1 will be 3. Plus the derivative of 1 will be 0. The derivative of 1 will be 0. So the answer is 3 only. Now we will find du, dy upon dx is equal to dy upon du into du upon dx. Dy upon du is cos u into derivative du upon dx is 3. So the answer is 3 cos u. Change u. U is 3x plus 1 because here we are finding dy upon dx. We are finding dy upon dx. There should be the function of x only. So we'll replace u. U is 3x plus 1. So 3 cos 3x plus 1. This is the final answer. 3 cos 3x plus u. In this answer, there should be x only. It should be the, because we're differentiating with respect to x, therefore there should be x only, not u. U has been replaced in the final answer. U must be replaced in the final answer by x. That was question number 3. Understood all of you? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, we will do question number question number 5. Y is equal to cos u and u is equal to sin x. Hassan Khan 64089. Y is equal to cos u. So dy upon du minus sin u and du upon dx is equal to cos x. We will use the chain rule to find dy upon dx is equal to dy upon du. So dy upon du is minus sin u. So minus sin u into du upon dx. Du upon dx is cos x. It will become minus cos x into sin u. U is replaced by sin x. So it will become minus cos x into sin. U is replaced by sin x. So this is cos x into sin u. U is replaced by sin x. So sine of sin x. Sine of sin x. Cos minus cos x into sine of sin x. This is the 64128 simple should be. So this is the final answer. Dy upon dx is equal to minus cos x into sine of sin x. Here the theta is replaced sin x. U is replaced by sin x. So sin x is theta. That is question number 5. Understood all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll do the next question. Next question is question number 8. Y is equal to minus sec x. Sorry, y is equal to minus sec u and u is equal to x square plus 7x. Y is equal to minus sec u and u is equal to x square plus 7x. Y is equal to minus sec u and u is equal to my x square plus 7x. So dy upon du is equal to minus the derivative of sec u will be sec u tan u. And the derivative du upon dx the derivative of x square will be 2x and the derivative of 7x will be 7. 2x plus 7. dy upon du is equal to minus sec u tan u, and du upon dx is 2x plus 7. So dy upon dx will be equal to dy upon du, that is minus sec u tan u, into du upon dx, that is 2x plus 7, that is 2x plus 7. The du upon dx is 2x plus 7. Now that will be written first, algebraic function first, minus 2x plus 7 into sec u tan u. U is replaced by 2x, u is replaced by x square plus 7x minus 2x plus 7 into sec x square plus 7x tan x square plus 7x. This is the final answer. Dy upon dx is equal to minus 2x plus 7 into sec x square plus 7x tan x square plus 7x. In the final answer, you must have to replace u by x, because the y is a function of x. We are differentiating y is a function of x. There should be nothing other than y or x, not u or any other thing. So Fran Bhatti 42386 64386. Sorry. So these were the questions where y is a function of u and u is a function of x. Here, now from question number 9, from question 9 to 18, write the function in the form y is equal to f of u and u is a g of x. Then find dy upon dx. Then find dy upon dx. So here we will suppose what is u, what is x. In this function, u is not given, but we may suppose to u. You may do directly as we have already done directly, but here how to use u. If you use directly, that is also the chain rule. We can do directly, that is also a chain rule. Question number 9. Two x plus 1 raised to power 5. 62998. Muhammad Asif Khan. Y is equal to 2x plus 1 whole raised to power 5. We can do this directly because y is a function of x directly. but that will also be used as a chain rule. How to do directly? Direct. Without supposing dy upon dx. Dy upon dx will be equal to, first of all, 5 will be shifted over there. 5 into 2x plus 1, that will remain as it is, and whole power 5 minus 1. Then we will take the derivative of 2x plus 1. What is inside? Without whole power. First we'll take the 5, the power. We will take the function power. So 5 into 2x plus 1 raised to power 5 minus 1 into the derivative what is inside the bracket without power. So the answer will be equal to 5 2x plus 1 raised to power 4 into the derivative of this one 2x. The derivative of 2x will be 2 and the derivative of 1 will be 0. So 2 plus 0 will be 2. So it will be multiplied over there. 5 into 2 will be 10. 2x plus 1 raised to power 4. So first we take the power over there, then 1 will be subtracted from the power, then the derivative what is inside the bracket into the derivative what is inside the bracket. It will become 5, 2x plus 1 raised to power 4, 5 minus 1 will be 4 into derivative of 2x plus 1, the derivative of 2x will be 2 and the derivative of 1 will be 0. So 2 is the answer. So 2 into 5 will be 10. 10 into 2x plus 1 raised to power 4. 10 into 2x plus 1 raised to power 4. This is the final answer. This we did directly. I think directly is more easy. Directly is more easy. Understood this one?
Yes sir, directly आसान है.
अब हम इसको जैसा उसने कहा है, क्या कहा है उसने? In exercise 9 to 18, write the function in the form y is equal to function of u and u is equal to function of x. Then find dy upon dx as a function of x. So अब हम उस तरह करते हैं, यानी यू सपोज करके करते हैं. तो जो भी होल पावर में है, what is the whole power? We will take, suppose it as u. What is in the whole power? That will be taken as u. Let u is equal to 2x plus 1, not with power. Only what is inside the bracket, that will be supposed as u. U is equal to 2x plus 1. So therefore, y will become, that is u raised to power 5. Y will become u raised to power 5 and u is equal to 2x plus 1. Now it will become y is a function of u and u is a function of x. Now we'll find dy upon du. Is equal to 5 u raised to power 4 and du upon dx is equal to 2. 2 into derivative of x will be 1. 2 into 1 will be 2 and derivative of 1 will be 0. So plus 0. 2 plus 0 will be 2. So dy upon du is equal to 5 u raised to power 4. Du upon dx is equal to 2. Now dy upon dx is equal to dy upon du. The same chain rule, we will use this one, dy upon du into du upon dx. Put the values, dy upon du is equal to 5u raised to power 4 into du upon dx is equal to 2. So answer will become 5u raised to power 4 into 2 will be 10u raised to power 4. U is replaced by 2x plus 1. It will become 10 2x plus 1 raised to power 4. The same answer as we have already found. So here we supposed it u and then we solved it by using the chain rule. This is also the chain rule that the previous one directly, that was also the chain rule. We would find this one into that one. But without supposing u, w, etc., u, v, w, etc., without supposing, we did directly. That also the chain rule. Don't think chain rule is only when there are u is separately and u, y is a function of u and u is a function of x. Then it will be the chain rule. No. Chain rule means first we find the derivative of that one, this one, then we find the derivative what is inside. This is the chain rule. Derivative, again derivative, again derivative, again derivative, etc. Derivative. So this is the chain rule. Understood? Next question will be, that was question number 9. Now we will do question number 13. Question number 13.